reindeer, cozy for the whole flight.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi guys, so after my spectacular new first class ride to Brussels on Emirates, the next day I flew back to Dubai in their new business class. The new business class featured many upgraded amenities such as the fully flat bed with a mini bar. I think this is the very first video on YouTube showcase the new business class. I'm gonna show you all the details in the video.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good to see you.
I'm a big fan.
Thank you. Is this your first time flying the new business class?
First time with Emirates, first time with new business class. I'm coming back
Oh my God.
on the first class.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're gonna have a great flight.
I can't wait.
This video is quite different from my other videos. It is not only going to focus on business class. I recognize many of the audience here also fly in economy. So follow me, I'm going to check out a new economy product during my flights.
Guys, this is my purser Ahmed. He was with me on the way to Brussels. Now he's coming back with me.
Yeah, I'm very lucky.
You know, yesterday I freaked out. After landing, I just realized I lost my GoPro. He managed to find it. So it was such a relief. I was devastated for an hour in the hotel room. It was such a relief.
Thank you so
This is an Emirates family. Let me kiss you.
Thank you so much.
It's good to see you again, Chris.
Hello Sam, welcome
Really
back.
good to see you.
Yeah,
Very, very happy you are taking us back home to Dubai today.
it's a short stay in Brussels and now we're back.
So this is also a 300 hours old 777?
Yeah, this is pretty much also the Cubic series, so pretty new. How many hours does this airplane have on? This one's got a bit more. It's got almost 700 hours. Upon Brussels, we're expecting runway 25 right, as you can see on the navigation display. We're going to depart off runway 25 right, and we want to zoom out a bit, and we're going to follow this magenta line, 7,000 feet left turn, and then we'll follow this all the way to Dubai.
Awesome.
Flight time today is 6 hours, a bit shorter than yesterday, thanks to some tailwinds. And initially we're going to be climbing up to 35,000 feet.
Okay, because today I'm not in first class. Could you make it faster today?
Yes, yeah, so you're flying for business, so we'll fly 30 minutes. It'll be 30 minutes less than yesterday.
Awesome, awesome.
And as well, a bit technical information, we've got just over 53 tons on board. That's the fuel. We have on board today, expecting a takeoff weight of around 275 tons.
What is this thing you're actually holding on your hand?
This is the steering tiller, Sam. So this is what we use to taxi the aeroplane on the ground. This tiller moves the nose wheel. So this is what we use on the ground to turn the aeroplane. It turns the nose wheel, and then it turns the aeroplane on the ground. It's like a steering wheel in your
It's like a steering wheel in a car. Bigger screen here in the middle. Always wondering that.
Yeah, this is the lower MFD. This is also used to display various system pages, which we select here. If I select the electrical page, it will show the electrical system. But press the hydraulic page, will show, obviously the hydraulics are pressurized now, it will show the hydraulic page. Yeah, fuel page, it shows we've got 26.7 tons roughly in each of the main tanks. And yeah, it shows the door page, basically almost ready to go. We just have the L2 door open.
What's this little reindeer, this little moose here?
So this is Eve the reindeer, and she's just like a nice soft little cuddly animal.
Yep.
And then you open it up and it is a cozy little blanket.
Oh, it's a blanket when you open up the cover.
Yes. And it keeps you nice and cozy for the whole flight. configuration is 3, 4 and 3 across, but we're at the very aft of the aircraft, so configuration changes. It's 2, 4 and 2.
I know these are actually one of the preferred seats for traveler, because if you are pairs, you prefer to sit together without another person right there.
Exactly. So we also have the new armrests in the middle. They're slimmer, so it creates a more spacious feel in the seat. There's nice champagne colours, and actually no 2 seat covers are actually the same in the whole of the cabin, which it makes it nice and unique. Our headrest is movable, and you can adjust it so it's nice and cozy if you're sleeping. Our award-winning ICE entertainment system. So here, this is a 13.3-inch screen, which is the largest one we've had in economy. We've removed the handset that was usually here.
I can see everything is, the buttons and everything is on the screen back, and there's nothing more in between the seats. I like the headrest. The headrest comes up all the way to my height. The room is pretty good. You know, I am a pretty big guy, and I still have tons of room in front of me. I think you are a very lucky passenger. You know why I'm saying it? Because you have extra room here. Look at this. And I can tell you will never get hit by a trolley.
No.
Are you happy? Are you comfortable?
I'm very happy.
Very happy?
Yes. I normally take this seat because I have a lot of room and I can store my luggage.
I can see, you're very honest.
Yes.
I can see.
The flight captain speaking. My name is Chris van der Loo. I'd like to welcome you aboard this brand new 777-300ER, shortly departing to Dubai.
Well, on board the 777, I have met Benjamin from France, and he is a follower of mine on YouTube channel, right?
On YouTube, that's correct.
Right. So Ben, you are sitting in the new business class. So I wanted to hear your opinion about this. What do you think about the new 777?
Well, I didn't know it was a new plane, but the seats sitting down are very comfortable, and I like. I think the finishing touch on the in and around the seats are a bit more classy than the old ones, and the screen looks very bright. So far so good.
So I just met Jeb. He's from the US. He's actually an AF geek just like me. You know, he made a special trip just to come to Brussels here to fly on the brand new 777 of Emirates in the new business class. So far, the first impression about business class, about the Emirates new business class?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, well, first of all, getting to sit next to Sam, that's pretty crazy, as I'm sure most of you would acknowledge.
Oh, you're too nice.
Well, I'm also reflecting your fan base. So yeah, it's been great so far. The crew are so welcoming. This is my first flight actually with Emirates, and really excited to see the rest of the trip.
Mr. Sam, would you like to have a chilled apple juice, or freshly squeezed orange juice, or a glass of perfect champagne?
I think I'll go for champagne today.
Please enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Well, the privacy is awesome in the window seats, guys. This is the preferred seat in business class.
Thank you very much. Okay. All the screens are very high definition, so you can always look at the takeoff view from the landing gear of the 777 camera. They're a high definition view. So as you can see, I was more sitting like a bucket seat than a cradle seat. I have to come forward a little bit if you want to have a conversation.
So I've heard lots of nice comments so far from my fellow traveler. My instant feeling about the new business class is that they're really posh. They have the luxury finishing. However, there is a middle seat in the middle, and the seat does look like very narrow.
I'm just going to show you guys, this is the digital manual. So I'm gonna have the roll stock. Have the coffee late. There you go, my order is confirmed. How cool is that? The order is sent to the kitchen. This is called orange fizz. It's my favorite drink in Emirates, on board Emirates. This is a non-alcohol mocktail. So it is a simple mix of orange juice and ginger ale, but it tastes amazingly refresh. Oh, this is fun. You're filming me, I'm filming you.
Thumbs up, both hands.
You like fish?
I do.
All right, enjoy your lunch.
It's gonna be good.
Oh, this is the garlic bread. So the garlic bread is actually coming out of warmer bag. A warmer bag means it's actually coming from the oven, right? Yeah. You warm it up in the oven. There you go. They're preparing the bread basket. This is a wine chiller, as they say, right? Could you open and have a look? Sure. Okay, this is what wine chiller inside like.
So first we heat the soup in here.
Oh, you heat the soup in the microwave?
Yeah, then we put back
okay.
the flask.
This is sour cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pickled chips.
Okay, some chips on top.
Yeah. This is ready for the passenger.
Okay, go Jessica.
Okay, so that stick is to check the temperature for the food and make sure that it's well cooked.
So the stick is checking the temperature?
Yeah. And it should turn from black to red.
Ah, so now it's red. Red means it's well cooked?
Exactly.
Ready to serve?
Yeah.
This fish is different to the other fish.
Special meal.
A special meal. Ah, a special meal. Is that a seafood meal or?
Gluten-free.
Gluten-free. What are you having, Jeb?
The lamb.
Lamb.
Yeah.
Oh, the lamb with the lamb rack. Economy class meals are being served. Tell me, what do we have for dinner tonight in economy?
For dinner tonight, we have the grilled chicken or the lamb.
Grilled chicken or lamb?
Yes.
Yummy. So what are you doing here?
So we are preparing our meals for now, and we have chicken mushroom sauce and we have braised beef. Which one would you like?
Okay, I'm gonna try the braised beef.
Okay.
So guys, I'm gonna check out my meal. Oh look, it's beautiful. This is the braised beef. I think it's potato salad, right?
Potato salad, yeah.
Yummy.
I always think the meals are great in economy on Emirates. That's where they do well over the competitors. You get a full 3-course meals.
I just finished my meals. I ate everything except the vegetable.
Despite some of the improvements, I still found the Boeing 777 quite noisy and dry for the skin. So overall, I still prefer the A380 if I fly in economy class.
Are you listening to anything good? Some new music?
Here's something I want to tell you. What I love is this one. It's called Love in the Air, Love at First Flight. So it's a string of love songs that, you know, for example, I like this songs here. I'm a big sucker for love songs. I like the Slave to Love, Brian Ferry, where you always have the maximum amount of fun. Say hello guys to the camera. Hey. This is where the fun is. It's in the rear galley. Come to the rear galley, guys.
Oh yeah.
This is a darling. She's from Egypt, and interesting.
Why? Egyptians interesting.
You're so racist.
Oh my god.
Excellent.
Thank you.
So back in business class, the good thing is that the fully flatbed is really long. Let me show you a little hint here. The armrest can be lowered to create a little bit more room for you. Depends on where you sit, your privacy may be really amazing or you feel exposed in the aisle seats. In the middle, we know you have to jump over your neighbor if you want to get out. I definitely recommend you to reserve a window seat for the privacy. Overall, I think the new Emirates 777 features good improvement over the old version. The 232 sitting in business class may not be everyone's choice, but I was able to sleep fully flat, enjoy the good food, and an excellent multinational crew service.
This is at the end of the flight. I just want to thank you for all the beautiful ladies with me. Without their help, my filming won't be so smooth. So it's very important that all my films got the support and the love from the crew. Thank you very much again.
Thank you. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching again.